Alright guys, first experience on the public transport in Kuala Lumpur. We are taking the LRT today as well as the monorail. We won't make it to the metro, but first experience. We've got our touch and go cards ready to rock. Here we are at Wawasan Station. They've got this shaded pathway, which is pretty great because it's hot today. So we've got our touch and go cards from our friend Farrell. But if we were to buy one, it would be 10 ringgit each, and then you've got to top it up in order to pay for the entering the subway. Okay, here we go. Next stop, LRT. Okay, there you have all the subway lines there, which is pretty impressive because Kuala Lumpur only has 1.8 million. Now, to be fair, most of these lines will extend past Kuala Lumpur into the suburbs, like where we are now. But that's a pretty nice subway map for 1.8 million people.
Okay guys, apparently it's offline, so now I can't top up this card. This is my card.
We're trying to top up the card, add money to get on.
Rapid, yeah. Doesn't work. So too bad.
Offline, so the machine is down.
Yeah, machine's down. So at the end of the day, sometimes we have this defect in this
Darn.
country.
Okay.
I hope they can fix this.
We can still get on the train though.
Well, we can still get on the train. So now what we do? Now we're buying a token now.
Okay.
So our
Same
card
price.
is same price. Our card
Okay, now we can figure out where exactly we're going.
KLCC.
KLCC,
Alright.
which is Kuala Lumpur City
Yeah.
Center.
Now 2 people.
We want 2 people.
Okay.
8.2 ringgit.
Cash.
2.9.
2.9, yes.
Means cash.
Cash, yes.
2.9. Okay.
There you go.
So now I gotta.
So,
Oh, I can click English here.
20 ringgit for 2 people.
Wow, look at the money. The money's got
Korea, no problem.
Arabic on it. This is a Muslim country. Doesn't feel like a Muslim country.
Yeah,
55% Malay, we're Muslim people, and then the rest Chinese and Indian.
Yeah.
Okay, 10 ringgit goes in the machine.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna go like this. There it is. So it's a touch and go, but it's a touch and go coin instead of a card. Okay, there you have it.
We are headed to all the stores.
From Wawasan to
Yeah.
KLCC.
45 minutes.
45 minutes and we'll be right downtown. Cool. Quite nice to be up here. Not a subway, I guess, in the sense that it's underground, but it's way above. 2 stories above the road here. There we go, off we go. Ooh, I feel like I'm on a roller coaster. Front row seats. Alright, so when we got on the train, we were 2 stories in the air and it was totally empty. When we got off, we were 1 story below the surface and it was completely full. Hey, and I'm free! Okay, so now we're gonna try and top up our cards. Okay. Keep the receipt. Okay. Keep the receipt. Whoa, look at that. Look at the receipt on me.
Save the planet, man, guys. What is this? So
Save the
long.
planet.
My advice to Malaysia: save the planet, man.
Okay guys, cards are topped up, ready to roll. You can click above my head for our exploring downtown KL. Later on today, we'll be on the monorail. Which, by the way, when you think of monorail, do you think of Homer Simpson? Oh, you never saw that episode?
But I think of a caterpillar. It looks like a caterpillar.
Oh, okay. There's a Simpsons episode where the monorail's in it. Anyway guys, see you at the monorail. Here we go. I think Kuala Lumpur's public transit is quite good.
We did the KL. We did
I
KL.
think so. 10 lines,
Yeah, we did KL.
LRT, MRT, some go to the airport, which is super handy, monorail, and a metro. Will be interesting to compare this public transit to Singapore next week or a week after. Stay tuned for that video, guys. We'll be in Singapore doing a comparison of public transit in Singapore to Kuala Lumpur. Pretty nice. I mean, where I'm from, Toronto, this is much better than Toronto.
Catch the train, guys.
Ooh, let's go. There you have the advertisement in the handle.
Oh yeah.
Oh. The air conditioning in the ceiling is dripping on me. Is it dripping on you?
Yeah, it's dripping on me and I'm enjoying it.
Kind of a nice feeling.
Yeah.
Refreshing. You see it dripping.
Yeah, because outside it's like a sauna and here it's like
shower.
to take a shower.
Okay, and the pricing, to be fair, seems really good. So that monorail was $1.70 ringgit. The earlier one in the morning from Subang Jaya down to KL was $4.20, and the one earlier was only 90 cents. So it seems like it's really affordable, seems really accessible, super popular, it's really crowded there. The only one that was empty was from Subang Jaya. In KL, everybody's on the trains, seems quite good. Singapore will have a tough challenger in this head-to-head matchup.
Same price but in dollars.
Singapore's same price, but it's
dollars.
so instead of 170 ringgit, $170.
Exactly. You're paying
Wow.
dollars 3 times.
So honestly, it's probably going to be that KL is the winner because too expensive, not good. The people can't use it, it's not good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Click below us for our most recent upload. You can see what we're up to now. Maybe we're taking trains, maybe we're taking planes, maybe we're taking boats. And on the left, some of our other videos. Thanks for watching. Tell the people what you have to say, Lana.
Love you.
Give him a kiss.